Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I achieve this super easy straight hair look with this BeKind product. It's a hair straightener brush. This is really cool. I use this like every day, and now it takes me literally less than 10 minutes to actually straighten my hair, and it's perfect when I'm on the go. And yeah, so if you're interested in how to get this hair look, then keep on watching. So it's a brush and a straightener in one, and it's really cool. It even shows you the temperature right here once you turn it on. You can even adjust. Right now my temperature is at 390 because according to this, it says 390 to 410 for thick hair and 360, 390 for wavy hair. And usually I kind of keep my temperature for 390 because that's what usually works for me. My hair isn't like super thick or anything, but that's just the temperature I normally use for my like straightening products. So it's really cool though. You can like lock the temperature right here, but right here I have 390 again, and so you might see it might say like lock because that's what I set it to. And this is what the bristles look like. I mean, it's really cool. It heats up really fast too. I think within like a few minutes actually. And so if you want to go ahead and see how I achieve straight hair, keep on watching. So in the BeKind box that this comes in, it comes with a packet that has a bunch of cool little stuff in it for your hair. The packet looks like this. It's like a little baggie. It says BeKind on it. It's like velvety. Feels really cool. So this actually comes in this, like that. And what comes inside is these clips for your hair, for parting it. And it comes with this comb. I always need one of these kind of combs because I hate parting my hair with my hands sometimes. So with this point in the end, you can actually just part your hair like that. And then it also comes with like colorful bobby pins. I think they're super cute. I like the colors, very like soft pastel colors. Also, it comes with these hair ties, which are really cute. It has like little beads on it or something like that. It's like little beaded pearl things. Really cute. Also comes with a glove. So typically I don't really use these because most of the brands that I use don't even come with this, but I like how this brand does, just in case sometimes, because no one wants to get like accidentally burnt on their fingers. So I'm going to be using this glove for this tutorial. And then also it comes with these scrunchies. I love scrunchies. This is a black one. I wear them on my wrist or my hair, I love them. And then it comes with, I thought these were stickers, but apparently they're tattoos. They're kind of cute. Like, I really like this little moon. This moon one right here. It kind of matches my tattoo in a way. Yeah, I don't know, really cool. Some things I just like about it. And then it comes with a little user guide. Show you how to use it within like 4 steps. Literally the easiest 4 steps. You turn it on, adjust the temperature, style your hair, and power off. Like, that's so easy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you the results. So before I always straighten my hair, I always use a spray, like a protectant spray. I already sprayed my hair, so this is what I used. And let's go ahead and get started. So for the first part of my hair, I usually part it in half. So I'll go ahead and do that now. I'll just take this. I have a weird hairline, so I kind of have to like okay. And then I kind of just like run through my hair with the comb one more time before I go ahead and straighten my hair, because my hair gets knotted really easily. So I like to go ahead and comb it a little bit. Oh, I like to go ahead and comb it through. So first I'm gonna go ahead and separate like a top layer. Go ahead and use this actually. This part usually to me doesn't have to be super perfect. I just kind of put any top of my hair as part of the top layer. And then I use a clip. Kind of hold it in place. So, I might need two for this one. I'm going to clip it right there. Man, why? Okay, hold on. Pretty much I only do half my hair, which is this side first. And then after I finish the top layer of this side, I'll move on to this side. So like this side just kind of hangs and chills here until I'm done with this side. And it's usually pretty quick, so. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit slower just so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing it and how I'm doing it. Alrighty, so taking this, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back actually. And then I'm gonna take my glove, take the glove and put it on this one, this hand here. I feel like I don't know. This feels so cool. Yeah, like I said, I don't really use these, so it's really neat that this came with it because I normally don't go out of my way to buy these, but the fact that it comes with it makes it like so much more easier to just straighten my hair faster because I can just hold it and not get like burnt, I guess. Before I go ahead and straighten this piece, I'm gonna take this comb and run through it just one more time just to kind of make sure that there's no knots. There's no knots. Okay. Now taking the BeKind straightening brush, I'll go ahead and just run it through. And I don't go too fast because I don't want to have to run the brush as many times through my hair after it's straight. That's pretty straight already. So I'm gonna do it one more time. And voila, it's really straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on doing this to the rest of the bottom layer on this side of my head and show you what I do when I switch sides. Finish the bottom layer and I'm going to go ahead and unclip this part and then do the same thing that I did to this with these pieces. So I take my shorter like bangs, I guess I want to say, and just kind of clip them back for now just because I usually do them last. Strand right here. Oh, got a little baby. Left one alone, but it's fine. I'll just. And same thing again, how I did to the bottom layer, I'm gonna do it to this piece right here. Brushing out the knots. Again, I don't go too fast, just because I want to make sure it like straightens everything. Making sure I got everything. So I just run the comb through my hair after I straighten everything on this side, just to make sure I can like actually see if I straightened everything. And if I do feel like I'm having if I do feel like I have any crimps in my hair, I just kind of take this again, run it through my hair. Okay, so So obviously you can see the difference between this side and this side. This being just my natural blow-dried hair, and then this is just straight inside. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my glove real quick so I can separate my hair a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and part this right here. So, taking part of my shorter ends, or shorter layers, wrapping this up, putting it right over here. Crazy person with this hair, but so again, we're gonna go ahead and put this glove on this side, take the comb, move this hair to the back, run it through, make sure I have no knots, and do the same exact thing I did on this side to this side. So run the comb through, don't go too fast or too slow. And then like that. So grab a little bit more here. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with the side of the head and show you the results. So now I just make sure there's no crimps in my hair, so I just run it through one more time with this brush. I don't pay too much attention to the front part of my hair just because, yeah, I don't want it to be super straight. I kind of want a little bit of volume, I guess, in the front. I don't know. But that sums up the entire tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys liked it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thanks for watching.